Kirk Banton, and in this video I will be demonstrating to you how to install an expansion card in a desktop computer. For this expansion card, I'm going to install, it's a Optiplex 755 ATI Radeon X130 PCI 128. Alright, for this for this video card I will be installing, it's a ATI Radeon X1300 PCI 128 megabits graphics card, ATI 102A77B. The memory size, of course, is 128 megabytes. It is a DDR1 SD RAM. It has take 3. The expansion card I'll be installing in this Dell Optiplex 755 is a ATI Radeon X1300 128 megabits graphics card, ATI 120A77. Of course, the memory size is 128 megabits. The chipset is ATI. The memory type, it's DDR1 SD RAM, and the port on this card is a SDI port and a DVI port. The interface is a PCI Express X16. Alright, and now I'm gonna install this memory card right in the PCI Express slot right here. So I'll take my memory card, and of course we have to be careful how we hold this memory card. Try to hold the memory card on the outer sections and not to touch the inner section, just as not to damage the card itself. So we are gonna place the card on the motherboard, and of course you have to line up the card properly in the case and ensure it's inside the PCI Express slot properly, and the notches are properly connected. And then when the notches are properly lined up, you squeeze down and you hear that click, and then right here we close this notch here to ensure that the card is properly secured. And there you go, the installation of a ATI Radeon X1300 128 megabytes expansion card with ports DVI and S-Video into a Dell Optiplex 755. Thank you.